Food and money I give thee. Why do you shout so mercifully when I give you your heart? Queried the rich woman. The poor woman replied, your questions you cannot answer, for from pain and agony you are free. But I have suffered and borne the situation that I don't like to be. That I couldn't understand because life too easy. I take this and take that, and life is just what I want it to be. Consent to comfort your mind, rich woman, with realities of death. Your wealth I do not envy, for you cannot buy eternity with money. If to live happily is to live in hypocrisy, then I prefer to be single, so I would be poor. Life you love so much you will lose, and only then will you understand what agony is. The poor, the poor woman shouted. You say so, for you deserve this place of mine. Indulgence you have clouded with reason, but I understand because of the situation. Mostly the rich woman said, outraged the poor woman answered. How pitiful, the person blinded with pleasure. No, you don't care for drink that you have created through your greediness. Come now, man of good soul, your days are numbered for you to praise the man of love. You may not hurry now, but later you will. Chill in reality of the last judgment comes first. Yes, then you will eat, but not for me, not for anybody else, but for yourself only. Yes, eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow you shall die.